भारतीय रेलवे ने ट्रेन संचालन में सुरक्षा बढ़ाने के लिए स्वदेशी स्वचालित ट्रेन सुरक्षा प्रणाली कवच विकसित की है। यह प्रणाली ट्रेन की गति की निगरानी करती है और ड्राइवर की प्रतिक्रिया न होने पर स्वचालित ब्रेक लगाती है, जिससे दुर्घटनाओं की रोकथाम होती है। खराब मौसम में भी यह संचालन को सुरक्षित बनाती है। यह प्रणाली सभी प्रकार के भौगोलिक क्षेत्रों जैसे पहाड़ी, रेगिस्तानी और तटीय क्षेत्रों में प्रभावी होगी। पश्चिम मध्य रेलवे पर 24 सितंबर 2024 को रेल मंत्री अश्विनी वैष्णव ने सवाई माधोपुर इंदरगढ़ सेक्शन में कवच प्रणाली का परीक्षण किया। IRISET सिकंदराबाद भारतीय रेलवे का एक प्रमुख संस्थान है, जो रेलवे कर्मियों और उद्योग पेशेवरों को सिग्नल और दूरसंचार विषयों पर प्रशिक्षण प्रदान करता है। इस संस्थान की स्थापना वर्ष 1957 में रेल मंत्रालय भारत सरकार द्वारा की गई थी। IRISET ने स्वचालित ट्रेन सुरक्षा प्रणाली कवच और रेलवे सिग्नलिंग पर ज्ञान और कौशल का विस्तार करने के लिए शिक्षाविदों और उद्योग के बीच सहयोग बढ़ाकर क्षमता निर्माण की दिशा में कदम उठाए हैं। भारतीय रेलवे सिग्नल इंजीनियरिंग और दूरसंचार संस्थान और राजस्थान तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय RTU ने RTU के छात्रों को रेलवे सिग्नलिंग और कवच को वैकल्पिक विषय के रूप में पेश करने के लिए गुरुवार 5 दिसंबर 2024 को एक समझौता ज्ञापन MOU पर हस्ताक्षर किए हैं। MOU पर इरिसेट के महानिदेशक शरद कुमार श्रीवास्तव, RTU के कुलपति SK सिंह ने पश्चिम मध्य रेलवे कोटा के मुख्य सिग्नल और दूरसंचार इंजीनियर परियोजना सचिन शुक्ला और राजस्थान तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय RTU के डीन डॉक्टर BK गोराना और अन्य अधिकारियों की उपस्थिति में हस्ताक्षर किए।
And the purpose of these three ITMS machines is to measure the track parameters in a very precise way, in a very detailed way. So these machines can basically run on the tracks and measure each and every parameter. What is the distance between, exact distance between the two tracks, whether there is any change in the profile of the track, whether any clip is missing, any of the fasteners is missing, whether there is any issue on the sleepers, whether this sleeper gap is perfect or not. Practically every parameter can be very meticulously measured. So basis this measurement, then we can plan the track inspection and track maintenance plan can be done in a very proper way. So we have right now 3 of such machines called ITMS. There are old generation machines also, but these 3 machines were procured about 1.5 years back, and the result so far has been very good. So after the experience of 1.5 years, now we would like to procure 1 machine for every zone, and then we would like to have a very regular way of inspecting the track parameters and measuring them. Currently the protocol is once in 4 months. Now we will reduce this protocol, change this protocol and increase this frequency, and using this machine as well as the other machine that you saw, the road cum rail vehicle, the life of trackman, the life of gangman, the life of keyman will substantially improve. The safety of tracks will substantially improve, and in such cases people don't have to carry the heavy equipment that they were carrying earlier. So this will be a major improvement in the modernization of Indian Railways. As you know, Railways is always innovating and trying to find new solutions for the problems that we are facing. You have just saw the integrated track ITMS machine. That's a machine which measures the track parameters in great detail, the entire track profile, the track geometry, any differences in the sleeper spacing or any issues on the missing clips. All those things are very carefully measured by the ITMS machine. This is another machine that we have recently developed. This is an innovation. As you know, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji always inspires us to innovate and find new solutions to old problems. So in that endeavor, working with our railway engineers and working with our trackmen, gangmen, keymen, all the employees, we have developed this new rail cum road vehicle. This is a vehicle which will on road, this will work on these tires. These are road tires, and when it goes onto the track, it will work on the these wheels. So these are track wheels. These are rail wheels. So in a sense, this will be able to navigate both on the track and off the track. You have seen the centuries old method of having a motor trolley. That motor trolley is basically pushed by people, it is removed, all kinds of safety risks are there. Now that system will be replaced by this rail cum road vehicle, and the people who want to inspect, the employees who will be inspecting the track for maintenance, they will be able to sit inside this motor trolley. They will be able to sit inside this, they will be able to inspect it properly. Then there are very high resolution equipment and cameras which are installed below. So they will be able to measure all the parameters. Simultaneously, we have also tried to innovate for one of the major problems that the trackmen and gangmen were facing. That is the problem of carrying a very heavy hammer for fitting the clips. So this hammer can now be stored in the vehicle itself. So you don't have to carry it on your trackman, don't have to carry it on the shoulders. Now this can be stored in the vehicle itself. This is an innovation. We will all the other equipment also, like the caution flags and all these other equipment, they are all stored inside the vehicle. We have designed and manufactured 2 such vehicles, which we will test for next 8-10 months and see what is the experience, and based on the experience we will make further improvements, and then we will do the series production. As you have seen, all our innovations, we start with 1 or 2 vehicles. For example, Namo Bharat train we have manufactured 2. Initially Vande Bharat trains we manufactured 2. Amrit Bharat trains we have manufactured 2 of them. And basis the experience we improve. We believe in the philosophy of Kaizen, which is continuous improvement. Thank
Sir,
you.
as junctions are